Hi, welcome to learning goal number 5.2. It says, I can solve for the sale price. All right, make sure that you have your paper and writing utensil. And what you can expect from this video is we will add on to our drawing. We'll do 2 practice problems together, and the third one you'll do on your own. And please take the notes that you need. So here's our drawing from last time. We had the markup and the interest parts. And we also added our discount. And the reason why we have this is it shows you that in all of these problems, there are only 2 steps. We all have the same steps. We use multiplication. So, step 1, we multiply. In the case for the discount, we're going to subtract. So go ahead and pause and copy this diagram. Welcome back. Let's start with our first practice problem. Here on the left we have our diagram, and it says that there's a price and we subtract our discount. Our discount. We all make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. And we'll get our sale price. So let's look what our question says. It says, what is the sale price of a $30 phone case with a 25% discount? All right, so I wrote 30, just 30, because they're the same number. 30.00 and 30 are the same number. I wrote it like this because I didn't want to add too many zeros when we multiply. So we have a 25% discount. And the very first step in this problem is we multiply. So we have 30 times 0.25. Why don't you pause and solve this problem? Welcome back. We got $7.50. If you didn't get it, no worries. Mistakes are the start of learning. Go ahead and see if you can spot your mistake and change it. We have 7.50 because up here there are 2 place values behind or to the right of our decimal point. So we want to make sure we also have 2 place values to the right of our decimal point. So what does this $7.50 mean? Well, it represents 25% of our price. So we have our price, we have our discount, and we subtract that, and then we get our sale price, which is $22.50. And this is our answer. Let's try a second problem. It says, what is the sale price of a $499.99 television with a 40% discount? So again, here's our price, and the reason why I put 500 is I rounded up just 1 penny. And the reason why I did this is it's going to be pretty much the same number. It's going to be off a few cents, but for the sake of our example and what we do in class, this will be fine. Here's our discount of 40%. So we do our first step, which is multiply. So 500 times 0.40. Go ahead and pause and multiply this. Welcome back. We arrived at 200. And again, if you made a mistake, no worries, it's normal. See where you spot that mistake and try to change it. Here we have 2 place values after this decimal point, so we should also have 2 place values after this decimal point. So what does this $200 represent? Well, it represents 40% of 500. We have our price, then we have our discount, and we subtract that, and that'll give us our sale price of $300. Here's our last problem. Apparently, Facebook fans of this company get 15% off. So the question is, what is the sale price of a $75 necklace, ooh, fancy, with a 15% discount? Go ahead and solve this and then bring your answer into class. Remember, we all make mistakes.